everyone, my name's Avery, A-V-E-R-Y, and I'm here on my mom's YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make slime. So I will show you one of my slimes I made before this. Okay, time to get it out. I use Elmer's white glue. I also have Elmer's color changing glue. So for activator, I use Tide. I always look up on my computer on YouTube what activators are good for slime. So you will also need a bowl, you will also need any type of mixing tool you want to use. I use forks. You will also be needing some food coloring, colors I have is pink, purple, green, and also I have blue. So let's get started. So first we will need a bowl. So I will be using Elmer's white glue. So you may ask, how much do I put in? So it depends. If you want big slime, put a lot. Medium, and then small slime, you won't put a lot of glue. I will make a medium slime. It just farted. Now we will put Tide. So you will want to put a little bit of Tide and mix it, and we will see if it stops sticking to sides. Then if it doesn't, we can put more. So now you want to mix it. Okay, so if I see how it's not sticking, we will put more Tide, and that will help. So now we'll see if we need more Tide. So now we will see. Yes, it's finished. Time to get dirty. So sticky. Now your slime is ready. But wait, it looks so boring. Want some color? So I think I will make it blue. Look at this color. So now you can put anything you want in. If you feel your slime is a little too hard, you can put lotion. Any kind of lotion is fine. Just put as much lotion you think you need. Might be a little bit, might be a lot. Now it is time to play with your slime. Or I could do I hope you had fun. If you have any questions, comment. And my mom will see you next time.